Pronunciator is a language learning resource offered for free through the library. Over 80 languages are available. You can use it on a computer, or you can download the Pronunciator app to your handheld device. Just look for the logo that you see on this screen in your favorite app store. This video will show you how to access it on a computer. Start at the library's homepage, cphlibrary.org. Click on Research. Click Language and Education. Click Access Now. Type in your library card number and click Register if you'd like to keep track of your language learning progress. Then click Launch Pronunciator. Click on the pull-down menu under I Speak to select the language you're the most comfortable with. I'm going to select English, US. Next, I'm going to select the language that I want to learn by clicking on the pull-down menu. Click on the language that you would like to learn. The options that you see here will differ depending on the language you choose to learn. I'm going to select Main Course, and I'm given two choices. Let's try the Postcards course. The play button at the bottom of the screen will read the text that is featured. The pause button will pause reading. To get started, I'm going to click on Postcards. This brings me to the first language learning postcard. At the bottom of the screen, you can see we're currently viewing postcard number 1 of 52. You can also play and replay the pronunciation of the word shown at regular speed and at a slow speed. Clicking on the right arrow will take you to the next postcard. The same navigation tools are found at the bottom and sides of the screen. You will notice at the top of the screen that there are options to review, learn by using videos, and much more. I encourage you to explore all of the available options. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will see icon links to tools. Hovering over an icon will provide you with a description of what that tool can do for you. Here, I'm hovering over the icon with a question mark, and I'm told that this is where I should click to get help. A useful tip to know is that in the upper right-hand corner is a bookmark icon, which you can use to bookmark or remember a particular section of the tutorial. Click the Bookmark This Page button, and that section of the tutorial will appear under My Saved Bookmarks. Click on the X in the pop-up box to continue. If you log out of Pronunciator by clicking on the Log Out icon in the upper right-hand corner, and log in again at a later time, you will see that you can start back where you left off by clicking Resume this course. This feature is only available if you register. I hope that you will explore Pronunciator on your own. If you have any questions along the way, don't forget to use the Help icon found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. If you still need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact the library by following the link on your screen. Have fun learning a new language, and thank you for watching.